Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I'm going to show you how to make some Valentine's Day decor from Dollar Tree products. Okay, for this craft, what I think I'm going to use, I'm not 100% sure yet because I always have the idea and then I do the video and change my mind when I'm doing it, but I bought this cute little gift box from Dollar Tree, and I have some flowers and a cute little teddy bear, some foam, and you're gonna need a knife to cut that. And then I bought this cute love sign that's gonna go inside the box also. I do have I have some wire edge ribbon here, which I'm thinking about putting on the side of the box to kind of dress up the sides. And I do have some embellishments and stuff that I bought, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna use those. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I need to cut out my foam block. And I'm going to set it down, set this on here, and then I'm just gonna measure it. I'm gonna actually trace it out, and then I'm gonna use my knife to cut it. So, okay, I have my foam block unwrapped, and what I'm gonna do is I want it to be able to fit in there, so I'm just gonna go over the edges a little bit, like so. And then I am going to trace it and then cut it out. So I went over both of the edges here just a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little mark in there. And then I am going to use my knife to cut the foam block. And hopefully I cut it straight, so it fits in the back. All right, yeah, it looks like I cut it a little bit crooked, but let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to trim it down a little bit. I just trimmed a little bit off of the sides, and I am going to, this is my front of my box that I like, get that stuck in there. All right, there we go. And I'm hoping that's gonna leave enough room to stick these up in there so they show. All right, get that mess out of the way. I don't really like that green foam, but that's what I had. All right, then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my bear and he is gonna go in the box, kind of off to the side like that, or she. And then I'm gonna get the tags off my flowers here. Oh yeah, by the way, this bear is chocolate scented. See that? And it actually does smell like chocolate. All right, I'm just gonna kind of pull them apart a little bit and then stick them in there. And get my red ones. And then kind of pull them apart. I don't know if you could see that in the video. I think I got my camera too close. Let me try to adjust. Maybe that's a little bit better. All right, and then I'm going to stick my red ones in here, just a little bit over. Stick them in the foam. Maybe down just a little bit more. All right, and then I'm going to put my love sign in there. And hopefully it sticks up far enough. Nope, doesn't quite stick up far enough. Okay, what I think I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut another chunk of foam so that it sticks up a little bit higher. So I'm pretty much cutting out the whole foam here. So I want it up high enough. I gotta cut that one down a little bit. All right, and stick it in there. There, that's a lot better. Hopefully my bear doesn't stick up too much. Might have to stick him in there. Kind of push his little legs down. All right, then I am going to stick my flowers back in there. Kind of spread them out. And then put the red ones on the other side. There, and then it just kind of mixes all the flowers together. All right, now I'm gonna try my love, unless the bear sticks up too much. I have to bend those flowers back a little bit. Might have to stick it in there. They're not exactly straight on the sticks, so I'm gonna have to play around with it a little bit. All right. And then I do have some hearts too, left over from a different project. I'm just gonna stick maybe one or so in there. Oh yeah, and I do have a pink one too. I was actually thinking about putting the pink one on the box right here. I think that would look really cute. Or do I just stick them down in the corner? Well, that looks cute there too. Maybe I will switch these two around. Okay. So now, to kind of decorate the box, I have some stuff here. Not quite sure what I want to do. I'm thinking this would look really cute on the sides. Maybe if I put it this way and then kind of bend it around the corner. Let me take a look and I'll come back. Okay. So I cut off some of these little jewel border stickers that I have, just one little round circle. And I think I'm gonna stick it in the middle of the heart right here. And then, yeah, I think I'm gonna put that on the sides. I am going to go ahead and measure this out and then get my hot glue gun warmed up, and I'm gonna put this on here. Okay, while I'm waiting for my hot glue gun to warm up, I'm just gonna stick, I think, a couple more hearts in here, just kind of off to the side, just to kind of balance it out a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks definitely a lot better. I like that. Okay, I'm going to measure out my ribbon here. I'm probably gonna stick it a little bit inside the box. So I just want a little extra on here. And where's my scissors? It's hiding. And then cut another one out. Alright, my hot glue gun should be heated up. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on the ribbon here. And try to center it to look nice before it sticks too tight. Yep. Not exactly where I want it. I'll try again. Alright, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the bottom. Alright, then I'm just gonna glue it all the way up on the sides. I'm still working on the gluing. Just put a little bit of glue on there, and then I just take my rubber finger and kind of push it down. This rubber finger works really good. Got this at the Dollar Tree too. So then whatever glue squishes out, I just kind of pick that off. So I'm just gonna keep gluing it up. I got the ribbon all on, and then I'm just gonna tuck the top in like that. There you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other side. All right, I got my second side all glued. And tuck it in. All right. Just kind of rearrange my things in here again. And then, I don't know, I just feel like it still needs something else. Might be a little too much glitter, but I think I'm gonna do it because I don't really like this gold heart that's in there. So, I'm gonna pull this off the stick. And then put some hot glue on here. And glue it right there over the gold heart. I wonder if I should put something else on it yet. It might be too much. Let me think about it for a second. I think one last thing. I think I'm gonna put these pink adhesive diamond wrap on here, but I'm gonna cut it to just one strand, and I'm gonna box in this love part here. So I'm just gonna measure it out here. And then I am going to cut it down the middle, or try to cut it down the middle. Oh, I keep going off camera. I got my camera set up to point up higher because this is such a tall project. All right. If I can get this off of here. And then I am going to stick this on here. Oh, I didn't measure that out very good. Oh, my thing's flipped over. That's what I did. I didn't think I measured that bad. All right, so I'm gonna stick this right along the white edge here. And do the same to the bottom. There, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I was gonna box it all the way around, but I think that looks really cute just like that. All right, well, there you have it. I don't know what you want to call it. Valentine's decor, love bear, but all these supplies were all from the Dollar Tree. So if you counted it up, not quite sure how much, but I mean, some of this other stuff I can obviously use on different projects, but there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you go make your own crafts, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.